Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore the captivating world of sleek wooden designs for contemporary decor and sales opportunities. If you're passionate about woodworking and looking for inspiration, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up to support our content. We have plenty of exciting projects and tips coming your way, so stay tuned until the end for valuable insights and some special surprises. Sleek wooden designs. Sleek wooden designs embody the intersection of natural beauty and modern aesthetics, appealing to a wide range of consumers. In an era where sustainability and minimalism are highly valued, wood serves not only as a decorative element, but also as a statement of environmental responsibility. The tactile experience of wood, with its unique grain patterns and warmth, enhances the sensory appeal of contemporary spaces. This introduction will contextualize wooden designs within modern decor trends, setting the stage for exploring their diverse applications and potential for commercial success. The appeal of wood in modern decor. Wood's enduring popularity in decor stems from its versatility and timelessness. Unlike synthetic materials, wood evolves over time, developing a character that enhances its appeal. This organic quality allows it to seamlessly blend with various design elements, from sleek and modern to rustic and traditional. Additionally, wood can be finished in numerous ways: stained, painted, or left natural, enabling it to cater to individual tastes and styles. As consumers increasingly seek authenticity and connection to nature in their homes, wooden designs offer a perfect solution, merging aesthetic appeal with emotional resonance. Types of wood and their unique qualities. Understanding the different types of wood is crucial for designers and crafters alike. Hardwoods like oak, walnut, and maple are known for their durability and rich, varied grain patterns, making them ideal for high-quality furniture pieces. Softwoods such as pine and cedar, on the other hand, are lighter and more affordable, often used in decorative items and casual furniture. Each wood type has distinct characteristics. Oak offers strength, walnut provides elegance, and pine is characterized by a light, airy feel. This knowledge empowers crafters to select the appropriate wood for their specific projects, ensuring the desired aesthetic and functionality. Tools and equipment for woodworking. Successful woodworking hinges on having the right tools and equipment. Essential tools include saws for cutting, drills for creating holes, sanders for smoothing surfaces, and clamps for securing pieces during assembly. Power tools can significantly speed up the process and improve precision, while hand tools allow for greater control and detail work. Additionally, safety gear such as goggles, dust masks, and ear protection is vital to ensure the well-being of the craftsman. A well-organized workspace stocked with the necessary tools not only increases efficiency but also enhances the overall quality of the finished products. Fundamental woodworking techniques. Mastering fundamental woodworking techniques is the backbone of creating sleek wooden designs. Skills such as measuring accurately, making precise cuts, and sanding surfaces to perfection are essential. Techniques like joinery, binding two pieces of wood together, are crucial for creating strong, durable furniture. Educating viewers on these basics through demonstrations can help demystify woodworking, making it more accessible. Encouraging practice with these techniques allows aspiring woodworkers to build confidence and competence, paving the way for more complex projects. Design inspirations from contemporary trends. Contemporary design trends heavily influence the aesthetic direction of wooden decor. Minimalism, characterized by clean lines and uncluttered spaces, is particularly popular. Additionally, trends such as biophilic design, which seeks to connect interiors with nature, have propelled wooden elements into the spotlight. Showcasing various design inspirations, from sleek wooden coffee tables to geometric wall art, can ignite creativity in viewers. Highlighting successful designs from renowned designers or emerging artists can also serve as a reference point, helping viewers envision how they can adapt these ideas into their own spaces. DIY projects for beginners. Offering DIY project ideas tailored for beginners can engage audiences and inspire them to take action. Simple projects, such as creating wooden coasters, picture frames, or small shelving units allow novices to practice basic skills without overwhelming complexity. Detailed step-by-step instructions can guide viewers through the process, emphasizing the importance of safety and proper technique. Providing variations or customizations encourages creativity, allowing individuals to express their unique styles. As viewers complete these projects, they gain confidence and are more likely to tackle larger, more intricate designs in the future. The importance of finishing techniques. Finishing techniques play a vital role in woodworking, significantly impacting the final appearance and durability of wooden pieces. Finishes can enhance the wood's natural beauty, protect against moisture and wear, and alter the color or sheen. Common finishing techniques include staining, which adds color while revealing the grain, and sealing, which protects the wood from damage. Educating viewers on the various types of finishes and their application processes helps them understand how to achieve the desired look for their projects. Demonstrating finishing techniques can also highlight the transformative power of a good finish, showcasing the difference it makes in the final product. Sustainability in wood sourcing. As awareness of environmental issues grows, sustainable practices in woodworking are more important than ever. Sourcing wood from reclaimed materials or sustainably managed forests not only reduces ecological impact, but also adds a story to the product. Educating viewers on the benefits of sustainable sourcing encourages responsible crafting and aligns with the values of eco-conscious consumers. Highlighting certifications like the Forest Stewardship Council, FSC, can guide viewers in selecting materials that support sustainable practices. This focus on sustainability not only appeals to consumers, but also elevates the perceived value of wooden products. Marketing wooden designs effectively. Effective marketing is crucial for turning a woodworking hobby into a successful business. Discussing strategies such as leveraging social media platforms, creating a visually appealing online store, and participating in local craft fairs can help aspiring woodworkers reach their target audience. Emphasizing the importance of storytelling and marketing can also resonate with consumers, as they often seek products with a narrative. Utilizing platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, where visual appeal is paramount, can showcase the beauty of wooden designs and engage potential buyers. Providing tips on building a brand identity can further enhance marketing efforts, ensuring consistency across all channels. Pricing strategies for wooden products. Determining the right pricing strategy for wooden designs is crucial for profitability. Factors to consider include material costs, labor, overhead expenses, and market demand. Educating viewers on how to calculate these factors can help them set competitive yet sustainable prices for their products. Additionally, discussing psychological pricing strategies, such as pricing just below round numbers, can attract more customers. Emphasizing the importance of regularly evaluating and adjusting prices based on market trends and customer feedback can also ensure long-term success in the woodworking business. Photography techniques for e-commerce. High-quality photography is essential for effectively showcasing wooden designs in e-commerce. Tips on lighting, composition, and background selection can significantly enhance the visual appeal of products. Demonstrating how to create a simple yet effective setup for product photography can empower viewers to take stunning photos that capture the essence of their creations. Discussing the importance of staging and context, showing products in a natural setting, can help potential buyers visualize how the pieces will fit into their own homes. Good photography can lead to increased sales and a stronger online presence. Building a community around woodworking. Engaging with a community of woodworking enthusiasts can provide valuable support, inspiration, and opportunities for collaboration. Encouraging viewers to join online forums, social media groups, or local clubs fosters a sense of belonging and can lead to fruitful partnerships. Sharing tips, experiences, and resources within a community can enhance learning and skill development. Highlighting the benefits of collaboration, such as shared resources or joint marketing efforts, can motivate viewers to seek out connections within the woodworking community. A strong network can lead to increased visibility and success for individual crafters, collaborating with other creatives. Collaboration can amplify exposure and drive innovation in woodworking. Discussing potential partnerships with interior designers, home decor brands, or fellow artisans can open new avenues for marketing and creativity. Collaborations can range from co-hosting workshops to creating exclusive product lines, allowing artists to leverage each other's strengths and audiences. Highlighting successful collaborations can inspire viewers to explore similar opportunities, emphasizing the benefits of teamwork in achieving shared goals. By working together, creatives can create unique products that stand out in a crowded marketplace. Challenges in woodworking and business. Acknowledge that woodworking, like any craft, comes with its challenges. Common obstacles include time management, sourcing quality materials, and navigating customer feedback. Sharing personal experiences and strategies for overcoming these challenges can help demystify the process for viewers. Discussing the importance of resilience and adaptability can motivate aspiring woodworkers to persevere through difficulties. Providing solutions or resources for common problems can also enhance the value of your content, positioning you as a knowledgeable and supportive guide in their woodworking journey. Success stories in the woodworking community. Highlighting success stories of individuals who have transformed their woodworking passion into thriving businesses can serve as powerful motivation. These narratives can provide insights into different paths to success, showcasing the diverse possibilities within the craft. Sharing stories of both well-known artisans and emerging talents can inspire viewers to carve their own niche in the woodworking world. Discussing the strategies these individuals employed, such as marketing, networking, or unique product offerings, can offer practical guidance and encourage viewers to pursue their dreams. Future trends in wooden decor. Exploring future trends in wooden design can keep viewers informed and excited about the craft. Emerging styles, such as smart furniture that integrates technology or the use of alternative materials alongside wood, can offer new opportunities for innovation. Discussing the influence of sustainability on design choices and consumer preferences can highlight the importance of adapting to changing market demands. Keeping an eye on trends not only enhances creativity but also positions woodworkers to capitalize on new opportunities as they arise, ensuring their relevance in the evolving decor landscape. Encouraging personal creativity. Encouraging viewers to embrace their creativity and experiment with woodworking can lead to unique designs that reflect their personal styles. Reminding them that mistakes are part of the learning process fosters a positive mindset and enhances their crafting journey. Providing prompts or challenges can inspire viewers to think outside the box and push their creative boundaries. By celebrating individuality and innovation, you can cultivate a community of confident creators who feel empowered to express themselves through wood. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights into sleek wooden designs. If you enjoyed the content, please remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting projects and tips. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us continue creating great content for you.